A Day at the New Swimming Pool, Episode 1. Honey, wake up. It's 8 a.m. So, are we going to surprise the kids about the new about the pool? Sure, let's go. Come on, honey. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I'll bet the kids will be more excited than you are. Hey kids, wake up. We have a surprise. A surprise? We haven't got any surprises since last year. I don't know. What's the surprise? Oh, everyone has to wake up. Come on, everybody, we have a surprise. What are you waiting for? Oh, goody. A surprise. Surprise, surprise, whatever. Oh, it's not a whatever. Today, me and Dad are going to take you a day at the new pool. The new pool? You mean the one next to us? Yeah. I can't wait. Well, that was a good surprise. Isn't this exciting, everyone? We're going to a pool. Since when we're going to a pool? We never went to a pool. Dad got promoted, so he's been earning extra money. We're so proud of you, Dad. Yeah, whatever. Okay, kids, get into your swimsuits. We better hurry. What time does it open? 8:30, something like that. Oh, we'll be early, alright. We won't be late. Okay, come on, everyone. Let's go change into our swimsuits. We'll be right back, Dad and Mom. Okay, we're ready. Good. We'll just go change, and you wait in the car, right? Okay. Hey, what about Mateo? Is he going? Of course he is. He's part of us, right? Yeah. Okay, should we take Mateo too in the car? You do what you want. I'll go wake him up. Mateo, wake up. We're going to the pool. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Where's my swimsuit? I gotta get ready. Okay, let me change you. There you go, honey. Go downstairs with your brothers and sisters and wait for us to get ready. Okay. Hey guys, isn't this exciting? Yeah, totally. Yeah, whatever. We've never been to a pool. I wonder how it's like. Well, it's like the beach, but much more smaller. Okay, kids. I'm going to change my clothes. You'll be patient now. Are we ready to hit the road? Yeah, totally. Come on, let's go. I can't wait. Okay, kids, let's go. Okay guys, did you pack everything? Yeah, I think so. Okay, I think we're ready. Let's get in the car. Let's go. 10 minutes later. We're here, kids. Come on, get out of the car. Wow, this is a big pool. Yeah, and it's so nice. And clean, too. Oh, man, this is so much fun. I just want to jump right now. And maybe you should. Come on, kids. You can jump now. Goody. Come on, let's go. Okay. 1, 2... This water is so cold. Yeah, I want to swim in cold water. Don't be such a wimp. Hey! Don't push me! Okay, Rebecca, no pushing. Sorry, but he's just a wimp. You have to push him. Yeah, and you're such a wimp too. Hey, Dad! That's not funny. Well, it didn't seem a problem when you pushed me. Okay, fine, I'm sorry. Hey guys, let's hit the water slide. Good idea. Get ready for part 2.